Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting the stage. Tune and tune again, then lower action if needed so you can touch the strings without choking tone. Place your picking hand palm so the fleshy edge sits 0. 5 to 1 cm over the bridge saddle. This gives a controllable partial mute. Use a relaxed pick grip and play with wrist motion. Once you feel the contact, strum slowly and listen. Moving the palm in millimeter steps changes sustain and harmonic content, so adjust until notes sit between choked and clear. Now you refine attack and pressure. Pick closer to the bridge for brighter attack, further for warmer tone. Vary pick speed, faster gives bite, slower softens transients, while holding the palm contact steady. Gradually increase palm pressure a little at a time. Too much will deaden harmonics, too little leaves unwanted sustain. Practice with single-note riffs to hear harmonic changes, then switch to power chords. Make sure to listen critically, and change one variable at a time so you know what each adjustment. Finish by matching your palm mute to your tone. Boost mids on the amp for punch and cut a bit of high end if the mute sounds brittle. If the mute feels uneven, check saddle position and string gauge. Heavier strings mute more predictably. For live rigs, add slight compression for consistent level or a noise gate for excessive feedback. If you still hear ringing, increase palm contact marginally and retune. This usually fixes residual overtones while keeping attack intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.